Hi and welcome back to my retro fun stuff. Well, I've had some extra pickups lately and I thought I'd share them with you. Hopefully you want to see them as much as I want to share them. Let's go!
My retro fun stuff, where the oldies go to have some time of their own.
So I thought I'd start with the action figures. So let's have a look. We'll start off with the G.I.joe. Just the one. But I'm really excited about this guy. So I've gone and picked up Recoil. I actually have some of his weapons in a box, but not the actual action figure. So he came with his backpack, with the antenna, and his two weapons. I think it goes that way. How cool is this one? Is that like a grenade launcher underneath a machine pistol or something? I don't know. Pretty cool either way. And then I got a couple of Kenner action figures, Star Wars action figures. So the first one is a Stormtrooper. Pretty excited about that. My first Stormtrooper. A little bit yellowed on the limbs, but the body seems okay. To be quite honest, I'm not that worried about yellowing and that sort of thing. They're old toys. They're not meant to be perfect. And the second one is Kenner Star Wars Stormtrooper. But this one came with his little pistol, his blaster rifle. So there we go, the two of them. I'm pretty happy with that. So the next thing I wanted to show you was this Integra AV receiver that I picked up recently from the tip shop for really cheap. Let's have a look at the back. So I'm not an audiophile, I'm not an audio person, but the reason I wanted this AV receiver is I wanted a switching solution for my Sony Trinitron 4:3 aspect ratio TV for all the different consoles. Now this one here has the combination that I was looking for. It has 3 composite inputs, okay, and it has 4 S-video inputs, and that's what I was looking for really. It has 7.1 digital audio. The model number, it's a DTR 6.5, which is apparently Onkyo's premium line, so really happy about that. It turns on and it switches through the different stations, but I haven't had a chance to plug it all in yet with speakers and whatnot, so hopefully that's a nice little pickup, or heavy pickup I should say.
Are you keeping up with the Commodore? Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you.
I've been getting into retro computers the last few years and collected a whole bunch of Commodore 64s and Amigas and things like that, which I'll have some upcoming videos about. There's a few monitors in there, quite a few monitors in there actually, and my favorite things in the collection are my Commodore branded monitors. And ever since I found out that Commodore made monitors, I've wanted the specific monitor that went with the Commodore 64C, and finally I found one that was working, first of all, priced within reason, and had this front flap that they all seem to be missing. The only real issues I've come across with this one so far, the power switch doesn't work, so you've got to hold it in for picture to come up. So I'll have to fix that up. There's a bit of something right there on the glass. I've tried getting it off with a few different things. Nothing seems to really be working. So if you have any suggestions on what to use, please let me know. I'm more than interested to know. And finally, when I was playing with the volume on the speaker, or rather when I was playing with the volume, the speaker was crackling a little bit. Not sure if that's an issue with the speaker there. All right, so really ecstatic to have one of these. When we look at the back, it's obviously fairly yellowed, but again, I'm not worried about that. If it comes up to its normal or to its manufactured color, that's great. If it doesn't, it's a 40-year-old monitor. What do you expect, sort of thing. I've got quite a few of these plugs in the shed ready to go for this from more than one system, so that's really good. That'll be really handy. So this is an 1802. Awesome. And finally, we've got these 3 boxes that are absolutely chock-a-block full of VHS cassettes. And I'll pull them out and we'll go through them in a minute. So as you can see, it's going to be pretty hard looking at all of these as they are with the camera setup on its tripod. So I think we'll try with some freehand camera work. See how we go. Okay, so I suppose we'll start over this side. So we have a copy of Star Trek Generations, which funnily enough, I bought a Laserdisc version of not too long ago. So this is season 4, as we can see here, 4.1. So we've got 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4.13. I'm going to assume that must be all of season 4. We have season 3, 3.13. I've worked this the other way. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. There must be one missing there. Okay, here with these ones, where did I see it? Here we go. Volume 23, 22, 21. What's that? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, and 15. That's all Star Trek Deep Space Nine. I've never actually watched any Deep Space Nine, so really looking forward to watching these. A couple of Enterprise. So work this the other way. Season 1, episode 1, 2, 3, or cassettes 1, 2, and 3. I assume there's 2 episodes at least on each. Then 8 and 12. I've seen these before, so that's fine. All right. And we've got Stargate SG-1. So it starts over here at volume 12 with this. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 17. We're missing 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I'm assuming this changing color is a new season. 26, well, 27, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Mix those up again. And from blue to green, new season, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I'm assuming that's what's happened there. Over here we have our pilot for Stargate. And then 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like I might be missing 12. Although pilot might have been counted as 0. I'm not sure. And they've just added it there. Let me know, is there an 11 I'm missing? Or have I got all of Stargate SG-1 seasons 1, 2, 3 and 4? I'm not sure. Used to watch this all the time. Loved it. All right, and finally, this one I'm really excited about. This is what made me pick up this lot. He was just advertising some free Babylon 5 VHS cassettes, and the rest, I got there and he said, do you want some more? Otherwise they're going to the tip. So we've got Babylon 5. We have the first sensational Babylon 5 movie, the second movie, where are we? The third movie, and the fourth movie. These two, I don't know what they are. I don't know if they're more movies or if they're episodes. I'm not sure. When I looked it up, it said there were 110 episodes for Babylon 5. So it looks like we've got 2 episodes per cassette. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. This is 33. It says it there. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. I've got all of them. I think I might be missing one. 110 divided by 2, 55. I've got 54 here. Plus these guys. Let me know in the comments. I'm really interested to see if I've got them all or not. Alright guys, that's everything. Hopefully you enjoyed checking out all these things that I've picked up recently, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! This is